Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the hidden gem of Delaware, a state park that's a nature lover's paradise. Get ready to explore White Clay Creek State Park, a place that's got it all, from golf greens to fishing spots and miles of scenic trails. But there's more to this park than meets the eye, and I'm here to spill the tea. So, buckle up and let's go. First things first, let's talk about the park's location. White Clay Creek State Park is nestled in the northwestern part of Delaware, right on the border with Pennsylvania and Maryland. It's like a secret sanctuary, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And let me tell you, it's a scenic drive from the college town of Newark, just a 10-minute jaunt away. But the real magic happens when you step into the park itself. Now, here's the deal, this park is a nature lover's dream come true. With over 3,600 acres of forests, meadows, and winding streams, it's a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Picture this, mature trees lining the fairways, sloping hills, and peaceful meadows. It's like a picturesque painting, and the White Clay Creek Country Club, with its 18-hole championship golf course, is the centerpiece of it all. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this course will challenge you with its water hazards and narrow spots, all while offering breathtaking views. But golf isn't the only attraction here. White Clay Creek State Park is a haven for anglers too. The cold, clear waters of the creek are historically stocked with rainbow, brown, and brook trout. And let me tell you, the fishing spots are easy to access, making it a perfect family outing or a relaxing afternoon for the experienced angler. Imagine casting your line beside the babbling creek, surrounded by nature's beauty. Now, if you're a hiker or a nature enthusiast, you're in for a treat. The park boasts over 37 miles of interconnected trails that wind through forests, open fields, and alongside the creek. These trails cater to all levels, from leisurely nature walks to moderately challenging hikes. And the best part? They connect directly with Pennsylvania's White Clay Creek Preserve, creating an even larger network of trails to explore. It's like a nature lover's playground, with something for everyone. But the park's beauty doesn't stop at the trails. White Clay Creek State Park is home to an impressive variety of wildlife, including an estimated 93 species of birds. You might spot white-tailed deer grazing in the open meadows, foxes, turtles, and countless songbirds in the surrounding forests. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of hawks, barred owls, and great blue herons near the creek. The park truly comes alive with the changing seasons, from the brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold in the fall to the blooming wildflowers in the spring. Now, let's talk about the surrounding area. Minutes away, you'll find Newark, a lively college town with a vibrant downtown area. It's got locally owned restaurants, coffee shops, boutiques, and breweries, making it a perfect spot for a post-hike refresh. And if you're up for a day trip, Chester County in Pennsylvania is worth checking out for its gardens and winery scene. Plus, the Brandywine Valley Scenic Byway is just 12 miles away, offering a road trip filled with local art and history. In my opinion, White Clay Creek State Park is a hidden gem that deserves more love. It's a place where you can escape the chaos of everyday life, immerse yourself in nature, and create unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your fishing gear or golf clubs, and head on over to this Delaware park. You won't regret it. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.